just ordered me some Popeyes. I got the lemon pepper. What is this? I think it's the honey lemon pepper. Honey lemon pepper. It was BOGO. It was buy one, get one free. So I guess they put all of my stuff in one box because I got 6 pieces. So I think they put them all in one box because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, they put them all in one container. But at least they didn't forget. So they look really good. I never had the honey lemon pepper, I don't think. And I got red beans and rice as well. Bismillah. I'm gonna take I'm low-key hungry. All I had was chow mein noodles. They're still warm, but I'm gonna warm my watermelon juice from Speedway, but it's a 7-Eleven. The lid is tight. So I also got the sweet heat sauce. These good. These are actually rather tasty. Go get y'all some. Go get y'all some honey lemon pepper from Popeyes. They crispy and get you the sweet heat. Don't forget the sweet heat. Why I feel like I gotta record everything I do now. Look at my t-shirt. It says faith over fear. Yep. This chicken is so good. Yes, these days we have to do what we have to do. We have to pay our bills. It's not easy being single on your own. Because I really feel like I don't really go out of my way to buy too much stuff. And at the same time, I refuse to deprive myself of the basic necessities of life. I refuse to deprive myself of eating what I want to eat within reason. This is not crab legs. This is not shrimp. This is not lobster. This is Popeye's chicken. I should be able to buy that for me from time to time. These wings are actually better than the wings that I got from that exclusive restaurant. Don't they look good? And that lemon pepper is spicy in a good way. That's in a good way. And lemon pepper, kind of spicy. Or maybe it's this sweet heat. Whatever. I'm eating something that's really spicy on my tongue. I swear, I've gotten so many subscribers, and thank you to all my new subscribers and my day one subscribers. People love to unsubscribe, but they're not stopping nothing. Just know that. That's what I don't understand about people that unsubscribe, because I have subscribed to so many people on YouTube. The only way I would unsubscribe is if they did something to me personally that I just simply did not agree with. But I'm not going to go out of my way to scroll down all the people that I'm subscribed to and just simply unsubscribe out of the blue. No. I may not watch this person all the time, but I don't feel like, why would I go out of my way to unsubscribe? And really, in actuality, most of your views come from people that are not subscribed to your channel. Most of my views come from people that are not subscribed to my channel. So that's what people have to understand, that it really doesn't matter how many people subscribe to you. After you reach 1,000 subscribers, that's all you need to be eligible to be monetized on the subscribers. These wings busting. They got so much flavor on it, and they crispy, and they was still warm. That's a good Popeyes. And it's 8 o'clock at night. These taste fresh. They're crispy. Somebody cooked these like they was about to eat them themselves. And I like that. I think it was a black young man that cooked these. Bless his heart. He threw down on these. I was going to get fries, but fries cost $4.50 or something. And this cost $4 and something. The fries and the red beans and rice is the same price. I don't know why the fries went up to be so high. This chicken is so good. It's so good. It's so good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm smacking. Over here smacking. Yeah, so Uber Eats had a BOGO. They had a buy one get one free. So this it's supposed to be a 6-piece, but they gave me 6 extra ones. And this cost me $23. That wasn't bad because they gave me a discount on Uber Eats on the delivery side. gonna eat 2 more and I'm gonna save 6 for tomorrow. Yes, I've been loving these chow mein noodles. Let me show it to you. I love these noodles. It was $1.46 on Walmart. It's the teriyaki beef. Bussin'. I had like 7 of these. This is my last one. Next time I go to Walmart, I'm getting 10 of them. Because that's the best noodles out here. And that's reasonable. It's $1 and something. It tastes like straight from a Chinese restaurant. Y'all like the sweet heat? Put sweet heat in the comment section. Sweet heat. Y'all like sweet heat, or do y'all like red beans and rice or fries? Or depends on what mood you're in. I'm one of those kind of people that I have my moods, I have my moments of what I want to eat. I can't say that I never eat red beans and rice, or all I eat is fries. I'm not one of those people. I take turns. You know, it depends on what mood I'm in. But them fries are way too expensive. Like I said, they're the same price as the red beans and rice, and that's crazy. This is the honey lemon pepper. I like the lemon pepper. No, it's not lemon pepper. It's the garlic parmesan from Wingstop. The boneless. I like the boneless garlic parmesan from Wingstop with ranch or blue cheese sometimes. It's so good, you gotta slow down and eat it because it's hot. It's so good, you gotta slow down and eat it so you don't choke on that hot sauce. Don't want the hot sauce to go down the wrong hole, wrong tube. Hit the back of that throat and you be coughing. Yep, that's my last one. I'm gonna save the rest for tomorrow. It was pretty good because all I had to eat today earlier was one of those chow mein noodles. Let me see how many calories it have in it. It has 510 calories. Okay. Because it do fill you up. So I got 6 wings left. Stay there for tomorrow for work. Honey lemon pepper. Mouth on fire. That hit the spot. And these red beans and rice cool that spicy taste down in my mouth. It's cooling my mouth down. Yep. 6 wings was enough for me, but I'm glad I got the buy one get one free so I can have some more for tomorrow. Yep. Anyway, everybody, thank you for joining me. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Assalamu alaikum, my sisters and brothers. Remember to always keep the Most High first. And see you next time. Bye.